Good evening, guys. Welcome. Today it's War Day number 721. 721 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. It's today Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, February 14th, 2024. Well, it's Valentine's Day. Yeah. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku and the binary. Yeah, today the paper boy has delivered the newspaper. We have also an additional in this newspaper. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And by the way, today I've already solved the rest of the not the rest of the puzzles, but the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. Yeah, I've done a lot of puzzles today, so I need to catch up. All right. Let me start with these 3 regular puzzles first. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. Let me zoom this. Alright, let me. This one will be number 7,999. Well. 7,999. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits, but this one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then let me see. 1, 3, 5. Then 1. Well, we have a 3 in this row. Last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And we have a 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and 7. We have 5 and 7 in the second column, so no 5 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5. And then Two numbers left in the first column. Four numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 6 goes there. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 4, 9, 6. Then, yeah, and then let me see. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And then need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 2, 2, 2. Well. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5, 7, 3, 8. Well. Let me think. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 7. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 5 and 8 are left. Let me mark those. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. Alright, 2, 2. And I need a 9 here. Well. Alright, now. Need a 5 here. I need a 1 here. And I need a 3. I need a 3. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the middle column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this row for number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Okay. And now, let me see. Need a 1 here. I need 8 here. I need 8 there. Okay, in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is a number 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this column should be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. Alright. 4, 9, 6. Then 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Okay. Interesting. Then let me see. 3, 6, 9, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Well, Here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 3 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. And 1 box left in the third row for number 6. Alright. 6. Then, let me see. 2 here. Need 8 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in the first row, so no 3 and 8 in these two boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill these yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Then 4 and 6, 4, 6 and 1. Okay. 3 and 5. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next only 3 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Only place left, and 5 should be there. Right. Then 2. Well, 7, 9. Come on. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. What a 6? No, need a 6 here. So, come on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Do we have all the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can't see it. Digit number 1, number 3. 1, 2. 2 cannot. 4. 5. We have all the 5s. And all. No. Here, need a 5. Need a 5. 6s then. 7s. What are 7s? No, need a 7 here. Ay, need 8 there. 8 there. Come on. Where's the opening? Need a 9. 9 should be here. 9 should be also here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Here, 4, 6 need 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first one, only 2 places left for 1. Could be here, could be there. 4 and 6, okay. Here also 4 and 6 are left. Well, these are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. And a 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the number 7. 7 and 9. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes in there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left. 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes in there. 1, 1, okay. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. 2, 5, 8 are missing in this column. 2, 5, 8. Here, 2, 5, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, and look, we have 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 go, oh, overlook this 8, wait, almost made a mistake. 5 and 8, we already have 8 here in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Almost made a mistake. So 1 digit left in this column for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. No, 6, the 7, The 8, 9 is missing. 999. Yes, almost made a mistake. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next to only place level 8 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this big square. So here can be 6 and more. This box should be a 4. 1 box left in the middle column for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 4 or a 6. We have a 6 in this column. So this box can be 6 and more. This box should be a 4. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 6 goes and there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there. Find the 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish 60 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles left. Regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.